Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's topic is simple but powerful daily habits that improved my English. And I've got my friend Sam here who used to say, I am agree with full confidence.
Hey, first of all, I was confident, just grammatically incorrect.
That's fair. So, Sam, be honest. How bad was your English before?
Let's just say, if English was a game, I was still on the tutorial level.
And now?
Now I'm at least mid-level boss.
Progress. So, what changed?
Okay, don't judge me, but I started talking to myself in English.
Wait, like full conversations?
Yes, like, Sam, what are you doing? I am making tea. Wow, amazing life.
That sounds slightly crazy, but also genius.
It helped me think in English instead of translating from my language.
That's actually a big deal. Most learners get stuck translating. What about listening skills?
Oh yeah, I stopped using subtitles for everything.
That must have been painful.
Very. At first, I understood maybe 30%. The rest sounded like fast robot language.
So why continue?
Because slowly my brain started catching patterns. Now I understand way more.
Let me guess. Vocabulary?
Exactly. Just 5 new words every day.
Only 5?
Yes, not 50, not 100, just 5. But I used them in sentences.
That's the key. Usage, not just memorizing.
Right. Otherwise, words just disappear like my motivation on Monday mornings.
Okay, this one sounds fancy. Shadowing. What is that?
It's simple. You listen to someone speaking English and repeat immediately like an echo.
So basically copying.
Exactly. But it improves pronunciation and rhythm.
Did you ever feel weird doing it?
All the time. But hey, weird habits get results.
Did you practice writing too?
Yes, I wrote a short journal every day.
Like, Dear Diary.
Not that dramatic. More like, today I ate pizza and regretted everything.
That's relatable.
Writing helped me organize my thoughts in English.
Now the hardest one, speaking.
Yes, I stopped waiting to be perfect.
That's tough. Everyone fears mistakes.
I realized something. Mistakes are proof you're learning.
That's powerful.
I spoke even when I wasn't confident. And guess what? Nobody died.
That's always a good sign. Did you ever say something embarrassing?
Oh yes, I once said I am boring instead of I am bored.
So you insulted yourself publicly.
Exactly, but people laughed, corrected me, and I never forgot it.
All right, let's recap these habits quickly.
Talk to yourself in English, watch content without subtitles, learn 5 words daily, practice shadowing, write a daily journal, speak without fear.
If you want to improve your English, don't wait for the perfect time.
Start small. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything.
And remember, consistency beats perfection.
Try one habit today and stick with it for a week.
Let us know which habit you'll try first.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who says I am agree.
Hey, that used to be you.
Growth, my friend, growth.